Python JSON serialize a decimal object. I have a decimal 3.9 as part of an object, and wish to encode this to a JSON string which should look like x column 3.9. I don't care about precision on the client side, so a float is fine. Is there a good way to serialize this? JSON encoder doesn't accept decimal objects, and converting to a float beforehand yields x column 3.8 quadrillion 999 trillion 999 billion 999,999,999, which is wrong, and will be a big waste of bandwidth.
How about subclassing JSON.JSON encoder? Then use it like so.
Simpleton 2.1 and higher has native support for decimal type. Note that use _decimal is true by default. So, hopefully, this feature will be included in standard library.
I would like to let everyone know that I tried me how matrix answer on my web server that was running Python 2.6.5 and it worked fine. However, I upgraded to Python 2.7 and it stopped working. I tried to think of some sort of way to encode decimal objects and this is what I came up with. Note that this will convert the decimal to its string representation, for example, 1.2300 to A. Not lose significant digits and B. Prevent rounding errors. This should hopefully help anyone who is having problems with Python 2.7. I tested it and it seems to work fine. If anyone notices any bugs in my solution or comes up with a better way, please let me know. Usage example.
The native Django option is missing, so I'll add it for the next guy/gal that looks for it. Starting on Django 1.7.x there is a built-in JSON encoder that you can get it from django.core.serializers.json. Presto!
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.